Nope, it's actually if you hit the hill, it'll come right back to the right. If you get it long enough, it'll run even further. Tee up.
Oh. Is it recording already?
Oh, that's the one you want to have on tape. Beautiful shot.
That was a beautiful shot. Were you filming you the whole time?
I was flipping you off the whole time saying that was a beautiful shot. That was awesome. That's the one about recording. I'm gonna take a shot. Good shot, babe.
See if you'd recorded it, then more of a shot.
What happened to your follow-through stance? That was unprofessional.
Huh?
Unprofessional. That's how we do it, baby.
Just don't go through the fairway.
Another 350 yarder.